Welcome to QuickBooks Online 2026. In the next 6 minutes, I will give you a quick tour and show you exactly where to find everything in QuickBooks Online. Stop wasting time clicking menus. Learn navigation once and work faster every day. First, the left menu bar. This is your main control center. Dashboard is your home screen. Here you see profit, expenses, bank accounts, and shortcuts all in one place. Click Dashboard anytime to return home. Transactions is next. Click it to see banking, rules, receipts, and reconcile. This is where you connect your bank and categorize money in and out. Sales is for customers and invoices. Click Sales to create invoices, sales receipts, estimates, and track products. If you sell services or products, this is your main page. Expenses is for bills and vendors. Click Expenses to enter bills, write checks, track mileage, and manage vendors. This keeps your costs organized for tax time. Customers and leads tracks your clients. Reports gives you profit and loss, balance sheet, and sales tax reports in one click. Payroll is where you pay employees if you have payroll subscription. Taxes section helps you track sales tax and prepare for filing. Accounting shows your chart of accounts and journal entries for advanced users. Top bar tips. Use the search icon top right to find anything instantly. Type invoice, report, or customer name and QuickBooks jumps there. Click the gear icon for account and settings. This is where you change company info, sales settings, and reminders. The plus button new top left is your shortcut king. Click it to create invoice, expense, check, or bill in 2 seconds without searching menus. Pro tip for USA users. Customize your left menu. Click More, then Edit menu. Drag tools you use daily like invoices or expenses to the top. Hide tools you never use. This saves 5 clicks every day. Set up your home screen widgets. Click Customize on Dashboard. Add profit and loss, expenses, bank accounts, and shortcuts. Now your most used tools are one click away. Master these 3 areas and you master QuickBooks Online 2026. Left menu for navigation. Search for speed, new button for creation. Practice for 10 minutes today. Click each menu once. Create a test invoice. Run a profit report. Tomorrow you will work 2 times faster. Know where everything is. Find tools faster. Navigate with ease. Boost productivity. That is QuickBooks Online 2026 made simple.